Hello, I'm back with another simple recipe for your gut health. Today I will teach you how to cook barnyard millets and then we will make a popular South Indian recipe with it. Take 1 cup of barnyard millet in a bowl. Wash it thoroughly at least 2 to 3 times in cold water and then soak it overnight. The next morning, drain the water out of the millets and rinse it a couple of times. Transfer the rinsed millets to a pressure cooker with double the amount of water. In this case, we've used 2 cups. Seal the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 whistles and see these luscious millets are ready. Now in a pan, toast some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. Add some mustard seeds and wait for them to crackle. Once they crackle, add the curry leaves. Once the curry leaves have cooked, add your puliyogre powder. Yes, you heard it right. This is the dry tamarind rice powder. Add your cooked barnyard millets and toss everything really nicely. Turn off the gas and mix everything very well. And your tamarind puliyogre rice is ready with barnyard millets. DM us for the recipe.